So good morning. We are now into May and I think it's time for an update on the sunflower challenge. So this morning we're on sunflowers. So we're potting up all these sunflowers. These are the Russian giant ones, and the ones I've done over here are raised sunflowers from the Pick Your Own farm. I send you a link above, show you this Pick Your Own farm. So I won't show you doing these. I'm just going to get my square pots. I think that's a bit of an upgrade from the seed tray, and I should do that. Just literally squeezing, pulling out, and into the compost as so. These are Russian giants. I've got two Russian giants outside in the polytunnel, in the netted tunnel. So we'll see what happens with those. They're going to go on the water tray, and I'll just carry on, do the rest. So another one we're going to do is the 50p sunflowers. As you can see, half the tray got watered and half didn't. So, lesson to be learned: rotate the trays or keep them watered, otherwise I'm going to lose them. So I'm just going to pot up my biggest sunflower from the bigger pot into an even bigger pot, and I'll show you without sound because it's blowing a gale outside, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is our largest sunflower, and we're just moving it from the smaller pot into the bigger one. You can see the root structure doing pretty good, so it's about time it's going to go into a big pot, and this will be the last move. So this is the latest update on the sunflower challenge. These are the sunflowers in a pot, and they're doing quite well. So on the 1st of May we're about 3 foot 37 inches on the tallest one. This is the next batch, and then these are the ones we potted up today, so it's looking good. So just looking through my seed collection, and I didn't realise I had these. So sunflowers, Elite Sun F1, large flowers on short plants. So I'm just going to pot these into these, give them a go. There's only 20 seeds in there, so it's worth a go. And I also found some more sunflowers in here. These are giant. These are the packets that are out of date, but my baskets seem to do alright. So I'm just going to pot these out into the pots and see if these grow. The Wahoo ones never did anything, never even germinated, so I've given up on them, so they've gone. So let's get these in. Just pressing them in, cover them up. Another one done. And I might even get some kind of netting to cover these up so they don't get eaten this time. So this is the sunflower woohoo, nothing. This is the sunflower Sadie, this is the kids one, and there's just two. So I'm just going to put those up too. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if not subscribed, ring the bell, get notifications when I post them all. Been really looking forward to watching everybody's sunflower challenges. Sunflower is one of my favourite plants, but last year just never got to grow any. And so far the ornamental ones, nothing yet. So I might have to see if I can source some seeds. But here we go. Thank you very much. Cheers.